Okay, this is Jim, and we're going to show you today how to install an Olla. An Olla is a watering device for plants, especially potted plants. You put this in the ground next to the plant, and you can see it's wet because I filled it with water. And what happens is the roots grow around it, providing continual water, and then you regularly refill it with water. And so this one here we got from Amazon. The brand name is Groya. But you can get them, or you can even make them yourself out of clay pots. So we got a trowel, and we're going to go do it to, we have a plant that's in front of the garage in a pot, and it always dries out because it gets so much sun and not enough water. So let's go try this. We're back, Jim and Melissa are back, and we're ready to put our Olla in. We're going to put it in this pot here, which is in a plastic pot. It's got a lot of sun. It does have a drip watering, but it always seems to dry out and always seems to not spread the water correctly. So let's find out where we can dig. Unfortunately, the tree that we're putting this in is right in the middle. Normally you would like it on the side, so you could put the Olla in the middle. But we'll put the Olla on the side, and then maybe we can put some other plants on both sides of it, some flowering plants, some annuals. So let's start digging, okay? We're now ready to start installing. I got my trowel here. First thing is, here's an extra plant in here. We don't want extra plants because they suck water out, so we'll pull that out. We'll move this out of the way for now, shortly. We're going to put it right here, and like we said earlier, that'll give us the opportunity to put some other plants here, maybe some annual flowering plants. So let's just dig a big hole here. That's basically what we're doing. And unfortunately, I can already feel the roots here. You can see this root. So this plant's actually doing pretty good in here. It's not super wet, but let's, you can see the roots. So I hate to pull those up, but sometimes you got to do that. And of course, if we were starting from new, we wouldn't have to do that. And it's actually still pretty wet down here. Hopefully I can not break the roots, but just move them gently aside. Let's see if we're getting big enough to fit our plant in here. Like I said, I'm trying to shake the roots loose so that I'm not tearing them or ripping them out. I'm just making enough room to put the Olla in, and then that way. So let's see how it fits. I don't think so, right? Not yet. Close? Close, right?
Close, yeah.
Yeah, so let's keep going. If I can just get this big one up here, but fortunately this plant has really big, strong roots. It's moist but not real wet, so I think this is going to help the plant a lot, because the ground's not even damp. It's just sort of trying to make room to get a little closer, although I guess it's not super necessary. Okay, so it should be about here. Maybe it's a little too, but let's try filling it in. Alright, and we got help from Dana, our dog. Okay, so the idea here is that the roots will sense the water coming out, and they will grow around that, and that'll provide a constant source of good water. One of the things we're going to look at later is taking the top of the Olla out and putting this drip thing in there. If we could do that, then it would be continually filled. And the good thing is that if it overflows, it'll overflow into the pot just like it was originally done. So let's leave it like that for now and see what happens. So thank you, and we will give you regular updates on how this Olla works. Thank you, everybody.